I have killed plenty of plants in the process of learning and trying to identify what works for me, what doesn't work for me. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Plain-Sangtip, and today is a very special topic. I have combined this very interesting topic on growth mindset with a hobby of mine, which is on plants. Okay, let me start with the benefits of gardening first. Physically, it's great for us. It's a bit of a mini exercise. There's the research has shown as well that when you plant, when you do all these things, it helps increase our mood. And of course, the other thing is about self-esteem. There's so many things that we cannot control, but with gardening, it helps us to build our confidence in what we choose to do. It gives us a sense of control. I would say that gardening also helps us with a practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness is about this sense of like relaxation, being in the present, being in the moment, focusing our mind on what we are doing in the moment, not in the future or the worries and the fears or the failures of the past, but just being here in the present. A lot of times I hear people say that they don't want to start a garden because they don't have a green thumb. All these are linked to like the growth mindset where people think that, whatever, if they don't have the talent or intelligence to start with, then they are not able to do certain skills. That is usually the mindset that stops people from learning or even trying. So rather than having this fixed mindset, someone with a growth mindset believes that if you put in time and effort, you will learn along the way. You will become better. You will learn along the way. Failure or mistakes or challenges is just part of the journey. I can confirm with you that you will kill some. I stopped counting the number of plants I have after like 50. I have killed plenty of plants in the process of learning and trying to identify what works for me, what doesn't work for me. So I just want to assure you first that if you are interested in this, please do not be fearful. If you do kill some, that's part of the journey. And that's part of the growth mindset as well. That learning is the process we're looking at. It's the journey that's more important. If you kill one, don't worry. There's more for you to kill in the future.